So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a PCV valve on a Ford F-150 EcoBoost engine. So the one I got here is, you can see the part number, it's the EV297. It is the Motorcraft. I try to get the exact one made for the engine when it comes to things like this. This is it right here. I went ahead and removed the cover. By the way, the cover just uses a number 10. You're going to need a ratchet. Take off your oil cap. And there's a bolt there, and don't forget the little hidden bolt right down in there. So 2 bolts, and this thing just pops right off, and you can kind of see. Actually, I need to put the oil cap back on there so nothing falls down in there. And to pop this off, there's a little button right there on the back. Push that little, slide it forward and pull up at the same time. Then when you get that out, technically you can just twist this out, but if it doesn't want to cooperate with you, get you a pair of pliers and put a little twist on it with some pliers like that. And I kind of broke it loose a little bit, I think. And then it should just pop right out, everybody. You can see it right here. Look at the back of this thing. You can see it is the exact same part. And then this one was not bad, but why risk it when it comes to these things? If they fail, it can back pressure in the engine and cause all kinds of problems. It seems to be okay, but you know what? I'm going to go ahead and put in another one on it because it's so cheap. I'll put a little oil around the gasket. Now to put it back in there, just go back in there, put a little twist on it, and actually that feels pretty good right there to the gasket. Hear that click? It did click down into place. To put this back on there, it just goes down on there. Is that not simple? That's the easiest thing ever. And you can replace this hose while I'm in here. I'm just kind of like looking around. I did have my spark plugs changed, so I had all that, but I'm also looking to make sure no other hoses are disconnected. All the lines look good. This engine looks like it's in pretty good shape. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. Line this back up. Okay, you can see how I got that on there like that. Now I'll just put the little number 10 nut on there. Put your cap back on right here. That's locked in. Now what I'm going to do with the other nut, I'm going to put it in the end of a ratchet and set it down on there and tighten it up. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the pretty simple thing to do, and this is something I recommend you do maybe every 4th or 5th oil change. Just change out your PCV valve. It's so simple and such a cheap part. Why risk it? So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Ford F-150 PCV valve change. See y'all in the next video.